After it is switched on, scanner 01M device is always in its default state. The default state means that the set frequency is 60 Hz, and the frequency modulation, the amplitude modulation, and the dose modes are switched off. To navigate the parameter menu, press the arrow button. Pressing the arrow button will change the symbols on the screen, showing the name of the parameter you can switch on or off. Dosing modes, amplitude modulation, frequency, and the presets. By pressing the arrow button once, we select the dosing modes, and then we have 2 seconds to switch it on or switch between them by pressing the plus button, or switch it off by pressing the minus button. If the display says D0, that means that the dosing mode is off. If it says D1 or D2, that means that the dose 1 or dose 2 mode is on. The next mode is 3-to-1 amplitude modulation. Again, 1 means on, 0 means off. The same is for the frequency modulation. The next parameter is the frequency. The default frequency is always 60 Hz. We can increase or decrease the frequency by pressing the plus or minus button. Press the plus button 1 time to set the higher frequency of 90 Hz and 2 times to set the frequency of 340 Hz, or press the minus button to set the lower frequency of 14 Hz. The last menu parameter is the presets. You can switch on the presets P1 or P2 by pressing the plus button, or switch them off by pressing the minus button, just like you do with the dosing modes. There is also a fast way to switch the preset P2 on without pressing the arrow button too many times. Just press and hold the combination of the plus and the minus button.